Hi, this is news. Meba Obia Akwaba had the latest and hot news in Kwa and Amide Bremo. I mean, so we can subscribe or more say over subscribe. What the other say over click a subscribe button. Now, our belly notification. Where is our video upload on the first person I was at the ASR video. I feel so we are now like if you give us a thumbs up. Nothing. Share my offer for Suma wouldn't be here now and some also ever done a memoir. Afriyie hwɛ ɛyɛ ensɛm a abɛtɔ yɛ pono so yɛtie ɛyɛ ensɛm yɛtie zɛ
Ghana ni bia wutie ni bia no wo de ka 25,000 Ghana cedis
and I said about 25 million I do 25,000
me say Ghana ni wutie ni bia wo de ka me say shabu enwa me yam shemi since 1957 ebesi 2016 59 years of Ghana's democracy. Dr. Kwame Nkrumah Buziamu, Omombe Yeku, JJ Rollins mo, Ignatius Kutu Agyapong, Afriyie Famu Kotokamo. Since 1957, ABC 2016 was 59 years. 59 years of Ghana's independence. Omoma Babedia Mamonusu Mina, the Sabula Sisi, Eka Mujato Hono, 122 billion. 122 billion. 59 years. Ghana nya independence. Ghana ye motoye. Ye nya ye freedom ye liberty as ye queen. Shabu. Nana de Danko Akufo Addo. Any Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Eba ye omo be president of the Republic of Ghana. Ye new 8 years. Take this figure we embeso. When ye minister nankasa na beka you. This is the Ghana's debt stock. Ghana kai 742 billion. 742 billion Ghana cedis. When you minister in Kenya, every data about finances and economy passes through Papa Nelson as a minister. He is the minister. Or not any sector in economy the department is or say, and baby what can say one hands out where you trade
a house of record.
Thank you. And I said, we take it serious. We don't joke with it. Child, and then I'm not say Ghana's debt stock is 742 billion. Child, the last 6 months, Ghana debt stock is 134 billion.
The last 6 months,
January, now 608 billion Ghana cedis. Listen, I'm crashing. 608 billion. I don't know how to convert it into Titiscano.
Now, Ghana beyond 8 now.
What's it?
Ghana beyond 8 now.
Ghana beyond 8 way. Akufo Addo is borrowing as if there's no tomorrow. Akufo Addo, he's borrowing as if there's only Mahmoud Bawumia. At the Papa Bia Mahmoud Bawumia, at the Bonnie Bia Akufo Addo. Only never come up. Me say every Ghanaian is owing 25,000 Ghana cedis. Shall we say Ghana for this?
The man be met here.
Now, Bawumia cash the phones who ban. Or the police need ban say the Papa Nyo Papa Kwaji. Me say Ghana debt stock 742 billion. Within a period of 6 months, now I have 608 billion. Akufo Addo from January, ABC say July, a can come about to a 134 billion.
No, my dear day.
Says Cano, Emperor Jekwana be ye baby. And I you bet match them say, Sky would ya dear win out there and cafe. Me, I do make a be, me want NPP for friend catch him say. Or more me phone number men neck house. Something me neck house. Ubakai NBSSI.
Yeah.
Thank you. Almost that catch or say, I buy this what they check, but they will just present it as a loan into Wumpia. You look at the kind of things Abba. Shall we just make catch only you? So where I make catch a cat is at 134 billion. And only between a period of 6 months. They say Ghana Kaidi is 742 billion. How can I convert it into
petition and found all the embassies or Ghana country almost a feeling of Kwaku Addo about moment of Bosebi.
And all the Yamasama. Akufo Addo why is it wood? Unitima. Zelensky. As I mean, we are cast on a most. Only was in your cast on a most.
Zelensky.
Me say, ya top bomb. And then you can't
say, Ukraine company.
Ya top bomb. Ya took to true. Where top bomb now from say Pirigu football clubs in Ghana, economy na busy Basaa. Their inflation rate is 3.2. That's what I make at you. Where to talk to Bongo Honu, 3.2. Akufo with me call catch and say, oh, here aid. Culture aid. Hey, some me about what shall bless me about who fear about the purpose of a pemwa. Me bring I did that for who must have one just shall bless you. Mammy's come from Cotrepin. Hey, what kind of insensitiveness am I?
Who see a coin a crew more in the action of Warsaw. Now was at the Kuna Milkono. Kojo.
Shabu, and I joined the money, Mama. When the NDC was leaving office in 2016, now inflation rate is 15%. 15.
The fact me, baby, I'll say yes. From 1957 to 2016,
yes.
Now Ghana they can
122 billion.
122 billion.
Yes.
And Akufo Addo 742 billion. Within almost 7 years, no. Since Akufo Addo on the air. At the end of the year, Akufo Addo.
Hey, Shabla Sisi. And to them, no, Kasei. Akufo Addo mo count account is around 520 billion. Within a space of
free education,
57 years, 59 years of empire for by Nendia Mokawi, Akufo Addo and sample amount. Within a period of 8 years, what there was 742 billion. Ghana cedis. Me say, sharp inflation, and that today we are not going to do technical things. We are going to do practical things. Young technical, not for depreciation, I for percentage, I for coefficient. Today I want to bring it down. Remember me, what don't get it here. You or what to buy a walk one here. The ordinary Ghanaian, but some can I say how the Ghanaian economy is going.
Okay,
Shabu, and the John Dramani Mama, not interest rate, inflation, 15%. The minimum wage, and the John Dramani Mama in 2016, you move 8.8 pesos.
Yeah,
and 8 cedis, 80 pesos. You multiply 27 days by the minimum wage, and amount 243 Ghana cedis.
Yeah,
and everyone say in 2016. Your treasury will see 243 Ghana cedis. At that time, the inflation rate was 15%. Shabuti asem way you 15%. That time, now a sack of rice, 50 Ghana cedis.
Yeah.
A sack of rice, 50 Ghana cedis. 50 Ghana cedis.
Make my top 4. Make my top 4.
Thank you.
I'm a crazy crack also.
I've watched as what me the top 4. And toast, and
Robber there. That's a 10 series.
Thank you. Way
5 series.
And I joined the money, Mama. A gallon of fuel is 16 Ghana cedis.
Yeah.
A liter, na 4 Ghana cedis. Shabuti a gallon, a 4 liters, it make you 1 gallon. And the driver need a OTM or Akoto fuel and I joined the money, Mama. Or 1 liter, a 4 Ghana cedis. And to make me add to gallon,
that's 3 can complain. That's I never got. Now we were not checking about the latest. But
Shabu, Sani Power 243 Ghana cedis. Obey me, Eddie to a moon
4 sacks, yeah.
Because Shabu, the government na bear 5 from program because Siamfa say if you cry 40, it be a 45, be a 50. Prefer maybe go for the 40.
Yeah.
And a sack, you know, obey me to 5.
Yeah.
And a bag, you know. Yeah. So it about 200 Ghana cedis. Obey me to more back, Eddie Kofi. Obey now Kaka was so Eddie. That's all you wait me there. In 2024, if you look at inflation, and then I add down Akufo Addo, 23%.
23%.
Shabuti, 23%.
From 15 to 23.
23. Now, Shabu, if you look at the minimum wage, 18 Ghana cedis.
18 Ghana cedis.
18 Ghana cedis.
Okay.
GTA.
The 18.
Yes.
18
Ghana cedis.
Times 27.
27. About 486.
486.
486. And Ghana. Obibia na Ketua from Crash should be around 486 Ghana cedis. Per the rules and regulations. Say, can say the year, and to be a trainer Ketua less than 480. That person is below the minimum wage of Ghana.
Yeah.
Shabu.
Franco.
Now, let's go into the figures. Now, a gallon of fuel.
Yeah.
A liter is 15 Ghana cedis.
15.
Multiply by 4 months.
15 times 4. 60 cedis.
Thank you. And I can mama 4 times 4 is 16. Today, 15 times 4, MMO 60. Look at the difference.
And at this time, come which 486 now.
Yes.
Won't you find Tom Mona? Okay. Mate.
And then, Obibia Owusu Biano, there's a certain kind of pressure on the person.
Yeah. Or 486. And then me car me to 200 series here. Me finish day.
A day. Thank you.
That is Alamanya rounds.
That 1 year round. One called paid news. And here one is a no. Sana Kwakuri. Now, Shaibu. And a liter of fuel, a 15 Ghana cedis. Multiply by 4, a 60 Ghana cedis. And more, one sack, a 140 Ghana cedis.
140.
Multiply by 5.
700.
And a bag of rice.
Yeah.
You say, ye buff from a mobiati, I didn't see. Shabu. 486 Ghana cedis. I need additional 214 Ghana cedis attached to the 486 Ghana cedis to get a bag of rice.
So we are the 214 Ghana. We are and I bind the becho.
That is a problem. And it says 486. So person otomwa, you can only buy about 2 or 3 sacks. It doesn't make it a bag. Shabu, it doesn't make it a bag.
So the NPP may increase the minimum wage from 8.80
yes
to 18, but it is meaningless.
Yes. The ordinary Ghanaian is not feeling it. Akwa say, Wabusu ni wabuchi. A typical example of papaya. And I said, be a reverend father, my friend, say, Father, miniska. Na ebe ni pan asan $100. Or convertible Ghanaians come on to a send you. But because of the inflation, I get 23%. It determines the cost.
And they say 1,000 for they say 15 times
yes
100, which is 1,005.
Thank you.
Manos Okotomo Papa 700 film. I got 800.
800. Oto and 300.
And why is 700 and 720? I you know 4 gallon minus 700 720. By now quite a bit 730. I got 70 series of.
I see 1 cup 9 Ghana cedis.
Mensah. Sikana nufi asheki.
And do say, Wabusu ni again si was senu skakesi bi. But any skepia.
The last time no be dim come over bridge or say I'm a year same sebi. But the Busu be a sending $100. And to me, yes, she was Ghana.
You are just joking.
Want me find free?
Oh, that's it. You are just joking. And you are grown a woody. Because that is the reality. And I know say unemployment has moved from under your mama and baby I'm cut to 8.2.
Yeah.
Now it has moved from 14.7 to 14.8. Shall we see? The NPP government say they've created a lot of jobs. If you've created a lot of jobs, practically, it means you say unemployment so percentage they say something. I don't know if I'm making sense to you.
Yeah. But what I say, daily graphic, edible 2 or Okuni delegate says 1.9 million youths.
Yes.
And idle.
Idle.
No training.
Yes.
No job.
Okay.
No education.
Okay.
No skills.
Okay.
And that is.
Sanko phone be at to bottom phone. Obenom tramo ni adwuma biaye. Omom na be say the biggest congregation be tennis because the person is sitting idle. You say idle hands is enya adwuma and what
the devil find words for the idle hands.
Thank you, Shaibu Sisi. And me no kasai. And Adam no kasai you Shaibu. Unemployment rate is 14.8. The NPP said they've created over 5 million jobs. The sector minister Bawumia say 2.1. Bawumia spokesperson say 2.3. There is a lot of inconsistencies. Let's take the sector minister Nedian. Sector minister Nedian, if it is true, then it means 14.8. No, can say to me so.
Yeah.
But instead of saying 14.7, we are still appreciating the figure in terms of unemployment.
And so maybe I must say,
yes,
how are they going to survive?
How is a person going to survive? Or be a company, you're folding up. How is a person going to survive? And
the park was in dear Mika could get to join the money, Mahama says, I'm a boy. And I said, I obey president, won't you a bank?
Thank you. Another no, unemployment rate is 14.8. That be a mekato say I can't say I won't tell you. It is a range between 7.5 to 8 million Ghanaians who are not working. And that's what
I company and say Pragiano company be free.
Thank you. And 7.5 to 8 million, about 70% of them are youth. They are not working. They are not working. The primary responsibility of every government is to create jobs, employment for its people. Akufo Addo most of create over 5 million jobs, but it is not reflected in the percentage. Percentage keeps on appreciating. So what is the problem?
I'm not
saying it. Shabu,
Franco.
Another no say commercial interest rate 30 to 47%. They be a catcher.
Well, interest rate also.
Sanity. So it tells you there are problems the new patriotic party government they have to solve.
Yeah.
Going to this kind of elections. And it tells you say and normal people watch it me the free. Things are becoming extremely tough, extremely difficult in Ghana. And Shabu Yanwiya. But when it comes if the fundamentals are weak, the essence will expose you.
Now, frankly, I'm not budget now. Finance minister at the bar parliament, and it has so many more, my God.
Oh, Shabula Sisi. One day, yourself, some Sunday road to
what day?
Hey, one day. Now, Minister Nasa no kind. Can I still borrow the words of Shakespeare? And much I do about nothing.
What have they seen now? And what's the route to the Saba? Now, you're only flew. Sika mama ne dwaneko ene hwe Burkina Faso kasa kase o tukai from nkranya be fire kwano se kwana na ne franco adam mu se Ghana for 7 penny for be dwene ensisu ne se yesi Burkina ka no onuru ne dem from Tema port wona wo fire kwan so saa etra boko a keke no du Burkina no gesi wo yi niam yesa ma ne fa saa niam no enfan wura nkuru ba nam se ye Ghana emra nya adwuma ne mpani for ye corrupt nti no
I love the way
text
emra wo ho ba corrupt o me hu steps in immigration any police officer o mo 20 Ghana 30 Ghana sha nsem wi ba ka to se fa kokon pa kura pa embu nsai they don't think about it shabu now what say the minister ne kan ya wa say this is a cabinet decision. Cabinet say they are going to reintroduce Road 2 starting from 2025. One, the cabinet decision means that the president, the vice, any party executives, any ministers, or more cabinet, they have taken this kind of decision. What do you say? As some of them can work. So 2025, if Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng wins the election, and he says that we don't need the Road 2, what is the essence of this?
And I drive for so Road 2 at so they don't pay any Road 2. And also the on you get that one.
Yes. Mekai, Satan on the Road 2 semi buy. Ebeya Sem Ukruma. Mekai Amwakwata.
Yeah.
Wakasa no use the Victor power. Close to all to Owusu. I said to myself, when you have to go back to Parliament and seek for the consent and the opinion and the factual things from Parliament before you can take this kind of issues.
They came to rule us to introduce lawless things. And I said, "Omunya penny bia o my amukasa nchiro say an idea dem mra kwan so aye. Of ayi amako atasori atmetwem. Ampa so no apano omuye adwuma kwan so."
You wait for the cows, just use so and our head on. So we now subscribe ya or more say over subscribe. Now one like it, now feel so or share video ama of so now work there. Also bet me a chair what you have fire and some way now I will comment box over to in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.